First up is ad publishing. Advertisers are looking for places to sell their products and are willing to pay for virtual real estate. If you have a blog or a website that receives traffic, then you can monetize that traffic with text, graphic, or video ads. Here's how it works. You start off with a website or a blog, which is made up of many pages of useful articles that are focused around a keyword or a key phrase, like weight loss for example. Then the search engines will notice your website and will list your pages in their results page so visitors can find your site. Then, as you start to receive traffic, you place a piece of code on your website that's provided from the ad network that displays related ads on your site. In this example, your website will have ads displaying weight loss products. When your visitor clicks any one of your ads, they're taken to another website that will most likely try to sell them something. You, however, generate revenue as soon as a click is made and are not responsible for what happens afterwards. So, if a publisher makes a sale or doesn't make a sale, it doesn't matter. You get paid for the click. The cost, however, is in the time and effort you put into creating articles that the search engines and visitors like. Here's why it works so well. You can place ads on your website or blog like Google Adsense and generate revenue from the number of impressions or ad clicks. It's great for bloggers, article writers, storytellers, and anyone who loves typing and expressing their views. Your content can be distributed and repurposed on many sites like article directories, social media posts, content directories, all turned into short reports and submitted to ebook directories, for example, for even more traffic and ad revenue. It requires basic knowledge of keyword targeting and on-page and off-page SEO for long-term success. There's no transaction process and the payout is automated, and it doesn't require complicated knowledge of business systems, which is great if you're not a techie person. Therefore, the difficulty level is easy to medium. It requires good writing skills, basic SEO, and consistency. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, then grab your free online starter pack from the link below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.